Hey guys, well, it's storming outside, and the power just went out. So, guess I have nothing else to do right now. I mean, I could probably like draw or something, yeah, but yeah, it's like really bad outside. Uh, I don't think the camera isn't picking it up, but I think you might be able to hear it. Christ. Ooh, chilly out here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, you can kind of see it. But yeah, just a small update. Yeah, just a small update. Might upload some more videos later. We have about like 20 days left here in Colorado, so it should be back my my home after a while. But yeah, jeez, so it's cold too. Yeah. But yeah, the power just went out, so holy shit. There's a lightning flash. I'm gonna head back inside. But I'll see you guys later.